2022 sped past in a tizzy, and our courts have been quite busy. This year, we saw 3 CJIs, NV Ramanna, UU Lalit, and now DYC. But let's turn to the beginning and let's see what happened in January. A Kerala bishop acquitted of charges of raping a nun. Her quest for justice unacknowledged, a travesty. Kashmiri journalist Fahad Shah was arrested in February, slapped with several cases simultaneously. With that, the cycle of jail, bail, PSA commenced. His incarceration still stretches on endlessly. And as Karnataka was swept in the throes of a ban on hijab, the High Court sided with the authorities. The state government's order upheld in March. Several girls remain out of school indefinitely. In April, Supreme Court stayed demolitions in Jahangirpuri, ordered status quo on this activity of the NDMC, but they refused to issue directions despite being asked to prevent razing of homes across the country. 2022 sped past in a tizzy, and our courts have been quite busy. In May, the Supreme Court put the sedition law in abeyance, and the entire country erupted in applause. But we wondered why there wasn't a permanent ban. And what about the increasing misuse of other draconian laws? Also, that same month with the Gyanvapi case, the top court did not put an end to it all. Despite Ayodhya judgment, despite Places of Worship Act, and now from Qutub to Shahi Eidgah in fact, to many more Gyanvapi pleas, the courts are adjudicating Mandir Masjid disputes, as it appears, endlessly. But 2022 sped past in a tizzy, and our courts have been quite busy. In June, the top court rejected Zakia Jafri's plea, challenging SIT's clean sheet in Gujarat riots to high state functionaries. But aspersions were cast and co-petitioner was arrested, and Teesta stayed in jail for several weeks. June also saw the arrest of journalist Mohammad Zubair, picked up for his tweets, seemingly. Only in July did relief come for him, in a much-awaited win for freedom of speech. In August, UU Lalit took over as the Chief Justice of India, a short tenure marked with several strong orders. In September, Siddique Kappan finally got bail in a UAPA case, but liberty still stood on grounds shaky. In October, the Supreme Court decided to hear urgently a challenge to a High Court order discharging GN Saibaba. A special bench sat on a Saturday especially to stay the order to retain him in custody. In November, D.Y. Chandrachud became the chief as Law Minister questioned the collegium's duties. In December, the CJI said no case too small for the top court. And on that note, and with a prayer for rule of law, for judicial independence, for democracy, we slide right into 2023.